In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a frequency table in Microsoft Word. A frequency table is a useful tool for organizing data and displaying how often different values or categories occur. It's commonly used in statistics, surveys, and research projects to summarize data in a clear and easy-to-read format. Creating one in Microsoft Word is straightforward and can help you present your information professionally without needing additional software. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and decide where you want to place your frequency table. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click Table. Choose the number of columns and rows you need. Typically, a frequency table has at least 3 columns, one for the data categories, one for the frequency count, and optionally one for cumulative frequency. Adjust the number of rows based on the number of categories or data points you have. Once your table is inserted, start by labeling your columns. For example, you might use category or data value for the first column, frequency for the second, and cumulative frequency for the third if you need it. Clear and descriptive column headings make your table easier to understand and more professional in appearance. Next, enter your data into the first column. These could be numbers, ranges, or categories depending on your dataset. After listing your data, count how many times each value appears in your dataset and enter these counts in the frequency column. If you are including a cumulative frequency column, calculate the running total by adding each frequency to the sum of the previous frequencies and enter these values accordingly. This allows viewers to see both the individual and total counts as they move down the table. To make your table visually clear, you can use the Table Design and Layout tabs to format it. Adjust the borders, shading, and alignment so that each column is easy to read. Consistent formatting ensures that your data is presented neatly and professionally. Finally, review your table for accuracy, making sure that all counts and totals are correct. You can also add a title above the table to explain what the data represents. This step provides context and helps readers understand the information at a glance. By following these steps, you can create a clean and organized frequency table in Microsoft Word, making it easier to analyze and present your data. And that's how you create a frequency table in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.